And ladies and gentlemen, that is Apollo, our umbrella, the subcockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatuwa Alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Now, who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands! Who wants to see Apollo? Kaya ka Apollo, ang dami mong fans. Eto naman, how about Kuya Dexter? Who wants to see Kuya Dexter dance? Dance time, Kuya. Mukhang sasayaw pa yung dalawa. Now, Kuya Kenji, music please. Michael Jackson. Oh, tama na po. Ayan, and syempre nga dahil na multi-talented star si Apollo, marunong din siyang umarka. Now, let's see some of his acting skills. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Alam, may akin mo, sa taas mo, baboy,
Patay.
Apollo, so that's their natural behavior po, no? They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So, nagpapatay-patayan po. Sige, one more time. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Patay. Patay po natin si Apollo. On the spot.
Malakpak ka!
So, hindi na ako pagkatagal. Kumala tayo interview session. Now, Apollo, interview kita. Okay lang ba? Okay, now come here, boy. Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, Apollo, ha? Be honest, okay? Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter, Apollo? Okay, now how about me, boy? Look at me, am I pretty? Maganda ba ako, Apollo? Sino yung kumawak niya? Let's take it sa mga audience na lang, okay? Ay, ito si Ma'am daw. Si Ma'am, yung kumawa, Apollo. Apollo, look at Ma'am. Is she pretty? Maganda ba si Ma'am Apollo? Maganda. Siyempre, bumenta nga naman si Ma'am. Namumula na si Ma'am. Nag-flash na si Ma'am. Okay, how about sa mga lalaki naman? Okay, sa mga lalaki. Ito si Sir daw na nasa harap na naka-red. Now, Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir Apollo? Apollo, looks. Siyempre naman, yung mga bisita natin ngayon nagagandahan at nagwagwapuhan. Okay, now, anong nangyari dyan, Apollo? Ba't ako lang yung naiba? One more time, okay? Last na lang. Look at me, am I pretty? Mga na ba ako, Apollo? Never mind, ano po? Palapakan na lang po natin siya.